Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You already have your Oneplus unlocked and on the home screen. Now act. Swipe down once or twice to reveal quick settings and scan the tiles for cast, screencast, or a display icon. Tap that tile to open casting controls. If the tile is absent, go to Settings, then Connected Devices and select Cast. You do this because Quick Settings is the fastest place to stop an active mirror session, and it shows the current receiver you're connected to. Once you've opened the cast screen, you'll see any devices currently mirroring your display. Tap the name of the connected receiver, then choose Stop or Disconnect to immediately terminate the mirror session. Make sure to check any app that started casting, YouTube, Netflix, or Screen Share, because some apps keep streaming until you stop them inside the app. Disconnecting from settings ensures the system-level mirror is off rather than just pausing media playback. After you stop casting, double-check Quick Settings to confirm the cast icon is inactive. This verifies the session ended. If the screen still mirrors, toggle Wi-Fi off and on to drop the network link, then reconnect. If that fails, restart your Oneplus to clear stuck services. Make sure the receiving device isn't set to auto-accept connections. If problems persist, reboot or power cycle the receiver. This troubleshooting tip often resolves lingering mirror sessions caused by network or receiver settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.